In this box I have tools that I've bought for myself over the last year or so, but because of one thing or another I've not been able to unpack them and start using them because the workshop wasn't in a position where I could actually use them yet. So I'm going to tell you what I've got, and then I'm going to show an unbox at a future date, which shouldn't be too far away now because it's a lot more organised in here. So let's see what I've got.
What's in the box?
Now I've actually managed to make some space as I've been reorganising and putting everything together. I've made space, so these boxes are old council recycling boxes, and we've now moved over to bigger bins, so I've had these to store things in for the time being. So I've managed to clear 3, and if I can clear this one, that's created a huge amount of space for me. So, first one up is quite heavy, and I knew I needed one of these because there's certain things I want to build. I was going to go pneumatic route, but I decided in the short term to go for an electric one, just because I don't have the space for a pneumatic source in here. There's just no room at the moment, but we're getting there. So this one is a nailer with lots of nails. Some very nice paste wax for keeping my tools healthy. I've used that a couple of times already. That's actually really, really nice. That's from Rutlands. I really, really love their stuff. No paid promotion or anything in here. I just really love their stuff. If I could buy their whole kit, I would. Right, so because I'm so limited on space in here, it's a single garage, and we have house stuff stored on this side. I've managed to make some space so I can store some of my stuff in there, but this corner over here is cupboard space for storing things that have to stay. So that corner can't be used. The back window there, that's now been fixed, and all that wood there is going to be used for, well, a good chunk of that wood there is going to be used to make a rotting wood cart. So I'm going to work out from what I've got there what I can make literally just using that. I'm probably going to have to buy some 2x4s to make the framework, but I'm literally going to make it from that, I hope. So one of the things, I'm probably going to have to buy a separate piece of wood for it. So where I've got my workbench here, over the surface, you can probably just about see this here. This height here underneath the spirit level is where a permanent bench top will come out. And this is one of the things that's going to go on there. At some point I want to get a pillar drill, just because I need one. And this is a mini bench grinder. And a whole pack of attachments, which I'm really looking forward to having a play with. I do have actually, there's something else that I bought and I don't know where it is. I thought I bought myself a scroll saw, and I have no idea where it is. I thought it was in here. That's what comes from a disorganised garage or workshop. Right, so those two bits now taking them out of there, now the space I made over here, I can put them there and get rid of that. More space. Right, so that's it for now. Just a couple of bits. I will probably fairly soon get the nailer opened up, because one of the continuing projects in here. So on this side, you may have seen on one of the previous videos, I've got Cleat wall that I'm building here, and I want to build a storage unit that goes up here where the nail gun goes. I haven't yet to design that, but that's probably going to be one of the first or second things I'm going to do. The main thing I want to put up here is my half-inch router and all the bits I've got for that, but we'll see. Right, so that's the new bits that I've got here. I do actually have this, but I'm not going to tell you what it is because I'm just about to do an unboxing video. Right, have a great day and I'll see you again soon.